The pursuit of knowledge is never ending. The day you stop seeking knowledge is the day you stop growing. Wishing a warm and delightful morning to everyone gathered here. On this auspicious day, we have come together to embark on a journey that is one of a kind learning experience, where all subjects of CA Final are taught under one roof by top-notch faculty. CA Power 25 Season 1 is a unique residential camp designed to prepare you, the young minds who are appearing for CA Final 2025 examinations. This residential camp will not only guide you through the academic rigor, but also equip you with the skills and mindset needed to excel in the last phase of your professional journey. With this note, I, Chanel D'Souza, extend a cordial welcome to every one of you for CA Power 25 Season 1. We are honored to have amongst us CA Nandgopal Shenoy sir, President, World Konkani Center, CA Gopal Krishna Bhatt sir, Founder and CEO of Trisha Group of Institutions, Dr. Narayan Kairkate, Advisor, Trisha Group of Institutions, Dr. Devdas Pai, Chief Administrative Officer, World Konkani Center, CA Karan Mansukani, Faculty of Auditing, CA Final. I now request Ms. Unnati to escort our distinguished guests to grace the days where their presence will elevate the proceedings of this auspicious occasion. A warm welcome is the first embrace that opens the doors to meaningful connections, shared aspirations, and lasting memories. To light up this occasion with a heartfelt welcome, I now invite CA Nandgopal Shenoy sir to welcome the gathering.
ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಭಾಷಿಕ ಲೋಕಾಂಗೆಲ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಸ್ಥಾನ ವಿಶ್ವ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರಕ CA Power 25 ಫೈನಲ್ಸ್ ಸೀಸನ್ 1 ಇನಾಗರಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಕ येवन पाविले तुमकां सर्वांक मोगाच नमस्कारू आनी स्वागत. Good morning and welcome to the abode of Mother Konkani, the World Konkani Center. I will briefly touch upon World Konkani Center because the program is conducted in World Konkani Center. Konkani community accounts for around 0.3% of population of India, and Konkani is a linguistic minority community mostly spoken in the west coast region of India in the states of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Of course, Konkani is a state language of Goa. It is finding place in the 8th schedule of Constitution of India and it was recognized in the year 1992. World Konkani Center, besides conservation of Konkani language and culture, also is taking up several initiatives for the upbringing of Konkani youth. We have several programs on scholarship, skill training and so on. CA Power 25 is one such initiative. Somewhere way back in 2022, one fine day when I met Gopal Krishna Bhatt sir in a private function, I was curious to know the fate of 85% students who are failing, because all India passing percentage for CA inter and final is approximately 15%. And I am curious to know what about the balance 85%, how they succeed later. And I just asked him whether you have any further refresher course in Trisha, or whether our Institute of Chartered Accountant is having some initiative for the upbringing of those. And I have seen the agony of the parents, especially, not only the students, but that of parents who repeatedly appear and they could not succeed. And at that point of time, myself and Gopal Krishna Bhatt decided that we should have some hand-holding initiatives for all those who cannot succeed in the first time. Because everybody is taking care only at your first attempt. Thereafter, there are nobody to take care, no such initiatives are taken. So I said to him, we will take one initiative of Power 25 in World Konkani Center. We have a beautiful infrastructure. And the only thing is we have to find a proper donor for this. So that is how somewhere in July 2022, first camp of CA Power 25 for CA Inter started. And we were not much focused on the result. It was only a hand-holding exercise. But every effort was made to see that everyone succeed. When the result came in the month of January 2023, to our surprise, the passing percentage was over 52%. And for the second time, for the second camp, I was little more anxious because on the first attempt, it might have been by luck, sheer luck. But it again continued in the second camp also. The results were over 50%. And the last 4 seasons for which results have come, all results are above 50% pass. Means in every 2, 1 is completing. Now a time has come. We have to move towards the logical conclusion of taking up CA finals. So that is why we are here for CA final season 1 first camp. As far as our CA is concerned, there is jokingly someone was, non-CA friends were saying, CA means come again. Yes, CA means come again. It is not for the students. It is for the CAs who have completed. Myself, CA Ullas Kamath of UK & Co. and CA Gopal Krishna Bhatt. 3 of us came again to take up the cause of youngsters, our youth. CA education is the darling of middle and lower middle class population of our West Coastal region because easy affordability, a nominal cost of education, and they need not go to other towns because they can do the CA in their native town itself. So this is the big advantage so that more people are more students are attracted to CA education. Today, we are marching towards 5th largest economy shortly in the world by GDP rate. By 2034, we are going to be the 3rd largest GDP in the world. In this moment, I want to ask our CA friends, why not our effort to become one among Big 4 from India? Why we are becoming only employees of Big 4? Why not setting up a one among Big 4 from India? That is the thought process which we require to take in the next 10 years by 2034. I welcome Dev Sakranka Barkaro.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words of welcome and for the opening remarks. A warm welcome to you too. At this juncture, I'm delighted to acknowledge the presence of Mrs. Usha Shenoy, convener of Vidya Kalpaka, and K. Ullas Kamath, founder of UK & Co. in his absence. I also acknowledge the presence of our newly qualified chartered accountants and the presence of the former and the present SICASA committee. Thank you for gracing this occasion. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Indeed, we are privileged to have with us today our beloved founder of Trisha Group of Institutions, CA Gopal Krishna Bhatt sir, a visionary leader who in true sense have translated their vision into reality and whose guidance has been instrumental in shaping the future of many. Sir, we would be honored to listen a few words from you.
Respected President of World Congress Center, Nand Gopal sir, Karan sir, who is going to take the auditing session from today onwards, Narayan Kayarkatte sir, the advisor to the Trisha Group, and all the wonderful chartered accountants who have completed all their different segments and where they have already prefixed CA in their name. And also the new chartered accountants who just completed in the last attempt, and all the wonderful students gathered here, teaching and non-teaching staff of World Congress Center as well as Trisha. It gives me a great pleasure and very delightful just to inaugurate this CA final, a unique residential camp at World Congress Center. And special thanks to Nandgopal sir, not just an idea today, it is a reality. Thank you everyone being a part of this great occasion. We have been doing CA Inter Foundation. Few years back we have done in final as well. Over the years we have not been able to do at Trisha, but with World Cognition Center, joining hands with the Ullas UK and Co. and Vidya Kalpaka, all put together, this initiative is possible today, and we see some good numbers have been turned up. Just give you a background, what's so special about the World Cognition Center and what are we going to deliver here. It's not an easy task to get a result at least double or more than double of the institute result. It's possible because there was a continuous guidance. Best of the best faculties across the country will come here and they spend their good time. To add upon, you have very nice greenery, amidst of greenery and nice environment you are going to study. Just cherry on the cake or cherry on the ice cream. We have mentors who are going to guide you, not just about the subject, syllabus, academics, much beyond it. And that's where a true leader comes out. As a very first day of CA final going to start from today, almost how many days? 50? 51 days you've been here. And you don't have a choice and you have already accepted. Jokes apart, what I want to give you a thought today is it just that you want to take the subjects of CA final, prepare it and write exam and complete it? There were initial thoughts that Trisha has, get good ranks and we got university ranks, we got CA ranks. Is it that only that you want to do? Could be there are many places. But you have come here not to just have marks alone. That is very important to get a certification. But beyond that, what you are going to do, what things best out of you can come out, what are your real strengths? To be little bouncer on the first day, what is the purpose that you have been here? Is it just chartered accountants? And all the chartered accountants who are here, their purpose is not just to do CA. It is one of the multiple aims and goals they have it. It's not easy, anyone hard-earned money spending on the infrastructure, spending on the students, doing the program again and again and again. With that same zeal, same enthusiasm, investing time, these are all not easy things. That means each people who are here to support you, they have a bigger cause, not just about passing academics. In the last intermediate, I told, is it free? Then everyone said yes. I told, no, there is an opportunity cost associated with that. One is because I'm a cost accountant as well. Other one is everything that you get in has definitely a cost. Someone's money, someone's food, someone's investment is come to you. Therefore, there is nothing free to you in this world. You have much more moral responsibility to come back and give. Probably not today, not just becoming the day you become chartered accountant. Could be 3 years, could be 5 years. Anything possible, could be mentoring, be a part of this cause and anything you can help. Therefore, I'm sure when you go out of these 50 days, this 50 days could be a life-turning junction that you are there. One side you are really confused, struggling to get that required marks and come out of it. Other side, what else I can do? Just pause a time daily 10-15 minutes. Think what are the other things that you have to bring out. Nicely said by Vivekananda, spend some 5-10-15 minutes with your best friend, that is you, no one else. Few things, because yesterday I attended Vivekananda's one of the program in Ramakrishna Mutt. Couple of things which always strikes to me. You are the architect of your own future. No one else will come and do it. We can just support you. Finally, you have to write the examination. Have that zeal, have that, what I can say, that energy in you. Probably 50 days later, don't say that I just want to clear the examination. That is one small part and parcel of this enter. We have much bigger vision for you. Can we see a chartered accountant 10, 15, 20 years down the line, if institute says that The best top 50 chartered accountants, can you be one among them? Can we see a CFO of a big company, CEO of a big company? Have some bigger vision. Otherwise, daily morning when you wake up, the question will come, what am I doing it? Is it really worth doing all this? Have such triggering question to you so that, you work really hard to come out of this course with flying colors, come out in your life as the best version of yourself. It's rightly said, Siddhartha became Gautama Buddha. You know the stories. I don't want to take much time. Is it only Siddhartha's only intuition gone there? I don't think so. Siddhartha's only horoscope gone to that extent? Definitely no. Is it only the family or 3-4 instances which has seen and make him Gautama Buddha? They're all the part. But environment made him to change altogether. I think you have such a wonderful environment here to clear out the boundaries that you are specified for game of cricket here, game of chartered accountancy. You have such best place. It may not feel you on the day one. As it progresses, you realize everything is served with lot of affection and love. ನಿಮಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವ, ಹೋಟೆಲಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವೈ ಯು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸೇ ಮಾಮ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್? ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದ ಸೂಪರ್ ಶೆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್? ನೋ. She does with lot of care, love, affection. That's why we feel a very different taste altogether. When you go to any mutt, any ashram, why you feel that food is super tasty? It's not that. It is the devotion which is involved in that. The flavor in which it comes is not just makeup of spices. It comes with lot of care, love, affection. Definitely, this place is like ashram. This place is like your church or mosque. You have been here. They all here to make you a better version of yourself. We are there to help you, serve you, guide you, mentor you, what not. So many things are associated with this. So that you have to remember this 50 days in your lifetime. Such an experience I never got in my life. I'm sure you will take some inspiration from each of the persons who are sitting here and guides who come here. Different parts of the country they come and guide. And we booked how many months? 8 months, 7 months, 9 months well in advance. We were able to book them. We were able to tell them, you need to come here for us. It's not easy to bring them here and train, because they have their own huge expectation when they teach for 800, 700 students or an online of 1,000 plus. Coming here is not an easy task, and you're all privileged to be in one such great camp, unique residential camp, which can take your journey much bigger heights. Wishing you all the best, entire Trisha, World Cognition Center, UK and Co. Vidya Kalpaka. Jointly we are there to support you. And we'll be very, very happy, excited to see you, a chartered accountant, exactly somewhere in June, July when the results are out. And I told sir, why only 50%? Why not 75 or 80%? Number is little small. And if you all put best efforts, definitely most of you can come out, prefixing 2 letters. And almost there, the last push is required, and it's important push. With this, wishing you all the best. Entire group is there with you to nurture, to help you, to guide you, to mentor you, to support you. Whatever you name it, we are there to support. Thank you, everyone.